Managing multiple brands from one affiliate platform can seem overwhelming, but in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to streamline the process and stay on top of everything efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the software to manage multiple affiliate accounts seamlessly, saving you time and increasing your productivity. Let's jump right in. The key to managing multiple brands from one affiliate platform is finding the right software that allows you to oversee all your affiliate programs in a single dashboard. The software we'll be using today is one that I've personally tested with several popular affiliate brands, and it works wonders. With this platform, you can add and track multiple affiliate brands, manage different commission structures, and view real-time performance metrics, all from one place. Now, first, let's talk about how to set everything up. Once you've logged into the software, you'll want to connect your affiliate accounts. It's as simple as inputting your affiliate network details and linking the relevant brand profiles. This integration is the first step to consolidating your accounts and getting them under one roof. Next, make sure to organize your brands into categories. If you're managing brands from different niches, creating categories or tags is crucial. This keeps everything neat and makes it easy to filter through the brands you want to focus on at any given time. Whether it's fashion, tech, or lifestyle brands, categorizing helps you avoid confusion and ensures that you can easily access each affiliate brand's dashboard. Tracking performance is another big part of managing multiple brands efficiently. The software I'm showing you provides a unified reporting tool. This allows you to see all the key metrics for each brand in one place. You can track clicks, conversions, and commissions from all your affiliate links, making it easy to compare performance across your different brands. No more jumping from one platform to the next. This saves a ton of time. And here's a quick tip. Use automation features to stay on top of things. Many affiliate platforms allow you to set up automatic email reports or notifications for key performance changes. Set it up once and you'll get notified if something needs your attention, whether that's a drop in conversion rates or an increase in clicks. This helps you react quickly without having to constantly monitor every brand manually. If you're ready to dive in and follow along with this tutorial, I've got something special for you. In the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. This trial is only available for viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it and get started with the platform right away. Here's the key takeaway. Managing multiple brands from one affiliate platform is all about finding the right software to consolidate your accounts and track your performance in one place. By organizing your brands, using unified reporting, and setting up automation, you'll be able to save time and increase efficiency in managing your affiliate programs. To recap, set up your accounts and integrate all your affiliate networks into one platform. Organize your brands into categories to stay organized. Use reporting tools to monitor performance without jumping between platforms. Leverage automation to stay on top of things with minimal effort. Remember to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description below and start using the software to manage your affiliate programs effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.